Hey, hi. This is Chandra B. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Light Stack Software Programmers Academy. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This video basically dedicated to one of my student. He simply called me and asked me like what language to choose, where to start if I wanted to become an programmer. So this was the question asked by his some of a junior and like someone. So he asked me the question. For that reason, I have put it this video whereby like before starting any of your journey as a developer, if like anyone can have this kind of question in their mind. I also had that. So what language you basically choose? So when you are just starting your journey into software development, so one of the most common and sometimes confusing question is the same which my student asked me, like which programming language should I learn first. So basically, I really wanted to tell you it's an important decision, but also one that should not overwhelm you. The truth is, no language is universally better than another. Okay, every programming language has its own strength, use cases, and purpose in the technical ecosystem or in the tech ecosystem. So let's get started with the straight from the beginning without wasting the time. So whether it's C Sharp with ASP.NET, whether it's Java with Spring Boot, whether it's Python with Django or Flask, I mean both are the frameworks of Java, sorry Python, and JavaScript with Node.js, PHP with Laravel, or like Ruby with Rails. Each of these languages and frameworks excels in its own domain. We cannot say that you know you are expertise for all. So comparing them as if one is superior at all levels is both unrealistic and technically what you say like incorrect also. So the real question is not which language is best, but which language is best for you. Like like in so many cases different languages are used for different business scenarios. This was my experience, so I'm sharing with you. Some are better suited for enterprise grade applications, others for startups or rapid developments, and some for high performance. So APIs or any real time applications, even any like particular language can be better. So these decisions are often made at the architecture design, like when architecture was designing, deciding that in that phase, and are based on project goals, team skills, timelines, and infrastructure, not on popularity of the contests. So if you are planning to start a career as a programmer, as a developer, so very first, here is the best advice for you guys. Choose your language as you feel most comfortable. Choose your language as you can understand more deeply. And the technology which you will choose, that makes excitement, that makes your interest into that particular language. So don't fall into the trap of thinking that choosing a hot or the trending technology or anything will give you high package. Don't go in that. In demand language will not give you any kind of guarantee success. So that kind of language, don't interfere in that. Just be in you. Your productivity, creativity, and confidence as a developer will grow much faster when you are working in a language you genuinely enjoy. When you are passionate about the tools, you are like more likely to stick with learning curve and build real working projects. Personally, I choose to work with ASP.NET and C Sharp because I found the .NET ecosystem powerful, well documented, and continuously evolving. So Microsoft basically provides excellent support and updates, and it was like basically fit naturally with my interest in structure, oops concept. That's why I focus most of my context and videos on .NET because I understood it well and I enjoyed working with it. So however, I did not stop here. Over the years I also explored other technologies, line basically React, Angular, the other versions like AngularJS, Node.js also. So each of these helped me to grow as a full stack developer Obviously, database part is also there, like SQL, Oracle, MyPHP, MongoDB. Those are also there. KQL. So all those build me as a into the full stack development as a full stack developer, and exposed me to different design patterns, architectures, and development approaches. This helped me build versatility, something you will also gain over time, not immediately, not quickly. Remember, in software development, there is no one size fits all. The best language or framework depends on the context, the project types, and the team size, the business needs. So your own career goals has to be into the development part, has to be into your mind. So don't let anyone tell that there only one correct language to learn. First, it depends on what you want to build and how you want to grow. So for every aspiring developer out there, pick a language that make sense to you. Start basically small and build something real and grow from there. So you can always learn more language later. What's important is to start with focus, interest, and intention. Always remember these 3 points. That's the turns a beginner into a real developer. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This is Chandra B, and I hope you all are doing great. I wish you all will be doing great. Thank you so much, and please keep on asking the questions. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.